Hi kindergarten, open up your sight word packet to the word is, I-S. Put your name at the top where it says name. And as always, we are going to read this sentence 1, 2, 3 times and coloring in a star each time that we read it. So I want you to start reading that first word. It says my dog is big. I read it once. First time I was sounding out some words that maybe we don't know, sounding out each letter sound and then blending it. My dog is big. Good. I read it twice. And then you're going to read it one more time on your own and color in one of these stars again. So you got all 3 stars colored. I want everyone to notice the capital letter at the beginning of the sentence, the spaces in between each word so that we know each one is a different word, and then the period at the end. Write it. We have 2 blocks for write it because we have 2 letters for is, so I-S spells is. And then you have room on these 2 dotted lines, and they are separated by a space, so we know they want us to write it at least 2 times. So 1 and then 2, all below the dotted line. Good. Find it. That means you are going to find it in here. So I'm going to find, let's see. Find it. Let me pick a color, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that all the is? I see the word it, in, sit, sis, so, I found all the is's. Good. All right, next. Build it. That means I have to cut off this strip here with these 2 letters, cut out the letters, and then glue them in the correct order. Can I put S-I? Does that spell is? No, I have to put it in the correct order, and that means I have to glue in the I and then the S, and it will read my dog is big. And then I have to draw it. What am I going to draw? I'm going to draw the sentence. The sentence says my dog is big, so I should probably draw a big dog, right? Not a little tiny itty bitty dog. So I'm going to draw a dog, and I am so curious of what your all's dogs are going to look like. What color they're going to be? Are they going to be shaggy with lots of hair? Are they going to have short hair? Are they going to have pointy ears or floppy ears? All right, so once you finish that, you need to go to Seesaw and take a picture under sight word packet, right? Sight word packet. And you are going to take a picture for me so I know that you did the work and that you practiced reading and saying the word is. All right, thank you.